Do you absolutely love IKEA? Keep watching this video to see our favorite items that are available at IKEA right now and learn how you can win a $100 IKEA gift card. Hi, and welcome back to BA Studio TV. Today's episode is about all things IKEA. We'll be going through our top choices that are available at IKEA right now and showing you a sample dining room and living room design using those products. In celebration of hitting 1,000 subscribers, we'll be giving away one $100 IKEA gift card. So stick around until the end of this video to learn how to enter our giveaway. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to our channel. Before we jump in, I do want to mention that this video is not sponsored by IKEA. All selections are our own. Let's get started. When it comes to sofas, our top pick from IKEA is this sofa with chase in white and black. We love this choice for its clean lines and low profile, and the subtle texture that the fabric provides. Next, for accent chairs, our pick is this wood and fabric armchair in blue. We love the Scandinavian look to this chair, with its light natural wood and the soft pop of color. This multi-level coffee table in black and glass is simple yet elegant, and it is a versatile piece for many living room designs. Our current favorite IKEA light fixture is this woven bamboo shade. The texture is warm and welcoming, and the lattice material will cast a decorative light pattern around the room. For our top picks for throw pillows, we've chosen this white and dark gray stripe pillow, as well as this white faux Sherpa pillow for some added on-trend texture. This black and off-white striped rug is stylish and fun, as well as this subtle gray and white option. Our current favorite dining table from IKEA is this simple white table. This table is great because it easily extends to accommodate larger rooms or for entertaining friends and family. For dining chairs, we love these in rattan and white. They pair perfectly with the white table or other options, and they provide an on-trend and high-quality look for a great price. For mirrors, we've chosen two options. The first is this large, over 3.5-foot round wall mirror. This mirror is simple and sleek, and because of its size, it can be used in many rooms in the home as a statement piece. Our second mirror choice are these smaller, round wall mirrors in a set of two. They are made to hang clothes hangers behind, which we think is a really cute feature and perfect as just a simple 3D wall decor for your foyer or mudroom. When it comes to storage, our current choice is this natural bamboo box with lid. These storage boxes are a decorative option that can be used in closets, bathrooms, living rooms, and bedrooms. Our current favorite wall art from IKEA is this new set of 9 coastal images. They can be arranged in many ways to create a beautiful gallery wall, and we love the relaxing vibe. For accessories, we've chosen this black woven plant pot and these organic shaped decorative vases. Here are 2 design ideas using our current favorites from IKEA. What do you think of these designs? Would you use them in your home? Let us know in the comments. To celebrate reaching 1,000 subscribers, we'll be giving away a $100 IKEA gift card to one lucky winner. To enter our giveaway, you must be a supporter of ours and be subscribed to our channel, and you have to leave us a comment below mentioning your favorite IKEA product. Please see the link for the official terms for this giveaway in this video's description. This giveaway is only open to residents in the United States. The links to all products featured in this video can also be found in the description. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this episode. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. New episodes air on Thursday.